Hey everybody, Seth David here, your chief janitor with Between Wall and Main, editor-in-chief, chief managing editor, chief something. I don't really care what you call me. Just call me something and make sure I know you're talking to me. I'm sitting here with Ryan Balfe, otherwise known as Ralph Balfe. Ryan, Ralph, whatever you want me to call you today. It all works. Mr. Balfe. Welcome. I'm so excited to have you as a contributor. I've gotten to know you for a couple of years now, originally online, right? And then we got to meet in person at QuickBooks Connect for the first time. And I'm just excited as hell to have you here. So tell us a little bit about yourself. Tell us who you are, what you do, and who you do it for.
Thanks for having me. I am Ryan Balfe. My company name is QPros, and we are a full-charge bookkeeping and accounting firm for small businesses and startups. We specialize exclusively in QuickBooks Online and equip companies and business owners throughout the country with a custom set of cloud applications to help them run and manage their businesses, particularly their back offices, as efficiently as possible.
And you, if I remember correctly, you have a background in IT, don't you? So you really have the knowledge that goes into the back end of what you've just laid out that you're able to do for clients.
Definitely. We actually started out as a web development company. So now that's a subsidiary of QPros called Anitech. So my background has always been in finance. I have an MBA in finance, but really my passion has been technology. So kind of merging the two together, it brought me into this whole, accounting environment.
I love that.
Even though my background was in finance and I started out on Wall Street, I was always in the back office. So I was never, telling people what stocks to invest in or anything like that. I was always on the analytical side. So, and I just always had a passion for numbers and technology.
Great. I absolutely love that. And I love hearing you talk about how, what you're doing now is the culmination of everything you've done until then. I mean, that's how I feel about this very project, BetweenWallandMain.com, for me. It truly is the culmination of everything I've done to date.
It's nice to do something that you're passionate about.
Yeah, absolutely. So our column is going to be called Beating Up the Balance Sheet with Balfe. Tell me a little bit about what I can expect to be reading about. What am I going to be learning when I read your column here at BetweenWallandMain.com?
The easy part to bookkeeping is categorizing transactions, reconciling bank accounts, and then running a P&L. A common complaint that I hear all the time, probably on a weekly basis, is, Ryan, you're telling me that my year-to-date net income is $50,000, but my bank balance is $10,000. Where did my money go? So for that, you really need to focus on the balance sheet and pay close attention to it. On the flip side, I could be showing you that you're at a loss, but you have a very healthy bank balance. So really digging into your assets, liabilities, and specifically the equity section of your balance sheet will help you understand the financial health of your business. So I'll be beating up every single account within your balance sheet.
Beautiful. I really look forward to reading the content that you have to write. As you well know, I'm passionate about that same thing. I've written a lot of content around using the balance sheet and, of course, even the statement of cash flows to really take that analysis, to the fullest extent of what you can do and really understand where the money's coming from and where it's going. So I absolutely love what you're proposing to do here with us, and I can't wait to start reading your column and see what you have to share with us.
Thank you so much for having me. I'm honored to be a part of this community.
Thanks, Ryan. I'm excited to have you, and I'm looking forward to reading your column.
Thanks, Seth. Appreciate it. Add us on Snapchat.
Add us on Snapchat. That's right. We'll have to put our snap codes up. All right.
QBE Pros and add Seth at Nerd Enterprises.
Yep, that's right.
He's a little bit funnier than me, but I'll try my best.
It'll be great.